Hey everyone, I just wanted to make this quick video that I think could help you. It's something that we've been doing for this one particular brand avatar that we have. It's Bachelor Bracket. It's based on essentially a fan site based around the TV show The Bachelor and The Bachelorette. This is actually the largest fan site that exists. You can see we have just an insane number of subscribers, over 256,000 subscribers right now, and we've gotten 10,380 in the last week alone. And that's just because really the show is just had its airing this past Monday. You can see it spikes right around that time. But what I really wanted to show you was just a great way that we found, since we're sending so many emails right now, and with a list this large, you really want to be very focused on your openers and those that are just not opening any of your emails. So a very simple way to do that is create a rule. So you can see here we have a rule under automation, so engage, automation, and then I filtered it by rules just to show you that. And we created a rule. I named it any email open tag. So basically what happens is if any email is opened, we are tagging them with any tag you set. And you can see we've gotten so far a huge number of opens that we've tracked from this process. And if I view and edit this just to show you what that looks like, let that load up. So all it is the trigger is SmartEngage opened an email, right? You can do the same thing for open a Facebook message, open a push notification. And I've got this on email since that's what I really want to focus on because that's where your deliverability really matters in terms of engaged subscribers. If you're sending a broadcast and not too many people are engaging on Facebook, it's not really going to hurt your deliverability. It has nothing to do with that. But on email, it means everything. So all I've done here after opened an email, I set any email. You could also do, a particular broadcast if you had one to use, but I just do any email because I just want to make sure if they're opening it, we're tagging them as someone who can open an email. And then very simply, SmartEngage is the action, add tag to subscriber, and then opener. And that can be whatever you want it to be. That just is a helpful way for me to stay organized. And then I know who's opening. We are actually going to add a new feature in here as well for a trigger where it's clicked an email or clicked a Facebook message or clicked a push notification. So very similar to the opened trigger, but based on clicks. And we could do some cool stuff like that in our sequences, our automation sequence itself. I may show that in another video in terms of how we're separating 3 particular segments related to email. So we've got our people who are opening and clicking, which is your most engaged type of subscriber. That's your best. That's your hot list. Then you have people who are opening your emails and not clicking. All right, that's a medium level list. Those are people that at least are engaging in some capacity, and you can eventually get them to click. And then we have people who are not opening and obviously not clicking as a result of that. And when that happens, they are your non-engagers. And what we can do is try to send them some, essentially some emails with some really good subject lines that are known to get them to open. And if they don't open at that point, you kind of want to get them off of your list. So that's pretty much how we break that down. And I'll probably show that in another video. But those are your 3 main ways to segment your list: your clickers, your openers who aren't clicking, and then your non-engagers who aren't opening anything. All right, but this little video here is just to show you that this rule is very helpful, and it's just a very straightforward, easy rule. You can set this up even before you start emailing. It's just nice to have, and I recommend doing that. All right, that's it for this one.